ये कृपया बिना उचित मार्गदर्शन के भोजन को विराम देने का प्रयास न करें।
सूर्य योगी उमा शंकर भारत के सबसे प्रसिद्ध सूर्य निहारने वालों में से एक हैं। कलकत्ता के निवासी उन्होंने योग और ध्यान में एक प्रारंभिक रुचि विकसित की। यद्यपि वे एक वैज्ञानिक के रूप में शिक्षित हुए, 18 वर्ष की आयु में उन्होंने अपने जीवन का एक हिस्सा भारत के प्रत्येक राज्य में सार्वभौमिक एकता, शांति और भाईचारे का संदेश फैलाने के लिए यात्रा करके बिताने का निर्णय किया। छह वर्षों तक उमाशंकर जी बिना पैसे या धन के पूरे भारतीय उपमहाद्वीप में घूमते रहे। उमाशंकर जी ने 1995 में श्री अरबिंदो आश्रम पांडिचेरी दक्षिण भारत में सूर्य योग का अभ्यास शुरू किया। शीघ्र ही उन्होंने देखा कि उनकी भूख कम हो रही थी। सूर्य योग के 1 वर्ष के अभ्यास के बाद उन्होंने भोजन से पूर्णतः परहेज कर लिया और 4 महीने तक केवल सूर्य की ऊर्जा पर जीवित रहे। 1996 से 2007 तक उमाशंकर जी ने महीने में केवल 1 बार खाया या प्रत्येक कुछ सप्ताह में 1 बार, और केवल जब उन्होंने अनुभव किया कि उनको उस भोजन से इनकार नहीं करना चाहिए जो शुद्ध हृदय वाले भक्तों द्वारा भेंट किया जाता है। हाल ही में उन्होंने हिमालय की ऊंचाइयों में 2 वर्ष का एकांतवास पूरा किया है और सूर्य योग की शिक्षा जारी रखने के लिए जगत में वापस लौटे हैं। उमाशंकर जी ने सूर्य योग कला की शिक्षा दुनिया भर में 20 लाख लोगों को दी है। सूर्य योगी उमाशंकर ने सुप्रीम मास्टर टेलीविजन पर समझाया कैसे उन्होंने 1995 में सूर्य देखने की प्राचीन कला की खोज की।
That was morning 7:30 to 8 o'clock. There was my free time. So I went to seashore for the sea meditation. That time I do feel, if I wasting my time, then I am wasting my life. So I have no right to waste my time. So I went to just seashore for looking the sea to get some knowledge from the sea, this ocean. But I am very lucky. Sun was rising on that eastern side, and then sun was reflected by the sea water, and it came to my eyes.
पहली बार लंबे समय तक सूर्य देखने के बाद सूर्य योगी उमाशंकर को चिंता हुई कि वे अपनी दृष्टि खो रहे हैं।
My whole eyes was burning. Not only eyes, whole body was burning. My intellectual mind told me, oh, I lost my eyesight, so how I can stop it? Then I closed my eyes very, very tightly, as much as possible, but reflecting light, it was still hurting my eyes. Then I just turned my eyes opposite side and opened my eyes. I felt, oh, I lost my eyesight. But when I saw outside, there I saw that small sand, and it was too clear. It was visible, very small. Then I felt, oh, I didn't lost my eyesight.
पांडिचेरी में अपने ठहराव के दौरान उमाशंकर जी ने प्रत्येक सुबह ध्यान करना जारी रखा, समुद्र किनारे एक चट्टान पर बैठकर। यह अनुभव पहले उनकी आंखों के लिए असहज और कठोर था। 4 दिनों के बाद उन्हें दिखने लगा, जिसका उन्होंने इस तरह वर्णन किया। 7 उज्जवल रंग सूर्य से निकलते हुए धीरे धीरे भूमि के निकट पहुंच रहे हैं। प्रारंभ में इन लौकिक किरणों ने उनको स्पर्श नहीं किया, लेकिन अभ्यास शुरू करने के 3 महीने बाद उन्होंने अनुभव किया कि सूरज की लौकिक ऊर्जा ने उनके शरीर को स्पर्श किया, जिसने उनको शांति की एक गहरी भावना प्रदान की।
One day I got success by my offering, my surrendering to the sun, that light could touch my body. Before, I don't know it is a yoga, and I didn't went for any expectation. I have to get something. Just I got interest, and my feeling was I enjoyed, means I got peace. So that's why I was going there. That morning, that light touched me. That was wonderful morning. And noontime, every day I used to take the noontime lunch, but that day I couldn't feel my hunger. I was not hungry. Then I felt, oh, today might have that light has touched me, and so I was not feeling hungry. Then I felt, how it could be. So night again I got meditation for knowing that process, how it can be hungerless. Then night time I saw that sunlight when I was looking through the pineal gland, then pineal gland got connected that cosmic energy, and that cosmic energy make metabolism. 5 element energy was separated, and that 5 element energy goes to my brain to bring back that energy to send to each and every organs and every cell inside. So through that energy I got charged. So that's why food is not required for me. Food is not required for our body. We need the energy, that kinetic energy. So that kinetic energy also indirectly come from the sun. And I got that vision. So trees can receive through the chlorophyll that cosmic energy, sun energy. So how I can receive that sun cosmic energy? Then I saw blood inside, photoelectric cells are there. Those photoelectric cells can draw that sun energy and create that our inside food preparation. So that's why I got energy from direct sun.
क्यों सूरज हमारे लिए इतना महत्वपूर्ण है? सुप्रीम मास्टर टेलीविजन कर्मचारियों के साथ 3 अक्टूबर 2010 को एक वीडियो सम्मेलन में परम गुरु चिंगहई ने असीम कृपाओं के बारे में बताया जो सूरज धरती पर सभी जीवों को प्रदान करता है.
First of all, physically speaking, without the sun, we'll be dying, huh? Okay, or dead, or gone already. Many things cannot grow, yeah? Human cannot grow. There are no food, yes? No circulation of the waters, yes? Purification of the air, etc., etc. The sun has a lot of benefit. The sun cures many diseases. For example, in the old time, they did not have tuberculosis medicine yet. They will put the patient in a sunny room or sunny area and open a window, let the sun come in to cure the TB. Of course, when it's too heavy, maybe they cannot. But maybe in initial stage, then they can cure like that. The sun cure your aches and pains, yes. It eliminates toxin, yes, through sweat. When it's hot, you sweat. And also cure some of the disease or other ailments. The sun gives, benefit to all, okay? Bad or good, yeah? The sun will glorify the whole earth that we live. And it gives life to all beings, plants, minerals, animals, etc., yeah? Sun gives also people happiness, carefree feeling. Sun is necessary for all on earth.
बहुत से लोग सूर्य योग के अभ्यास से लाभान्वित हुए हैं. सुश्री डैक ली कुआलालंपुर से अपना अनुभव बताती हैं.
My name is Dr. Lee and I am from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I have been practicing sun yoga for the last 10 days after my retreat in Kahang in Johor under our teacher Swami. And I find sun yoga is very interesting because it has brought many benefits to me, and I find that the most obvious benefits will be health benefits. I find that actually my health has improved tremendously, and actually I tested on one of the health problems that I have. I have lazy eyes, and after 5 days actually I managed to sort out the problems, and and I'm actually 95% recovered now, and I'm very happy with that. I don't suffer a lot of headache anymore or strain in my eyes or in my face. And the other benefits that I have experienced is that my body is able to regulate heat. I don't need to sleep in air conditioning or stay in air conditioning rooms. Even though Malaysia is a tropical country, I realized that I do not need to turn on the fan anymore, even though it's very hot outside. And I find that I'm comfortable with whatever temperature that I'm in. And also another thing is I find that my mind is more peaceful and I'm able to concentrate better. I find that Sun Yoga has actually helped me to improve my concentration quickly, and I'm able to settle down my mind.
सूर्य योगी उमा शंकर समझाते हैं कि सूर्य योग का अभ्यास करने के लिए किसी को कुछ विशेष नियम का पालन करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है.
Sun is for all. Sun is for the baby, sun is for every plant, every bodies, it is there. Sun Yoga can be for everybody. Yoga is the connection between soul to supreme soul, inner cosmos to universal cosmos. Yoga is the balance of in and out. So inner organ to outer organ, when we can get balance, that is yoga. Through the sun we do that balance, so we call the Sun Yoga. There is no bound caste, color, creed and religion, and everybody can do the sun meditation. And principle is there, we have to make friendship with sun, we have to surrender with sun.